Kasorkar India menhaka arpendri utrik jembang arhajar katsan kala ong bakan empat lek kerki hakabai day bat kejing temuti uranium naka jela Meghalaya bat kiwi gejela hendrai kan lek daga bapet pikir bhang habai keren bat gilat pathai kubor ha Pinewood Hotel u menteri kena kasorkar pedeng badai pej ikatnat dona bat kumjuk ru ika Department of Atomic Energy DAE u Dr. Jitendra Singh ula ong bakasorkar kala dia perkhat lupa Halor kani ka kam ti uranium ha kani gejela Hendrai nakal yang ke DAE kadang pulih benya namar kani kedai ke kam ke badan kam ya shibun kijing pen kre bat kijing pen bet pen biang. Ula ong baka sorkar pedeng barabor kaju pikir bah ya kinu kam haswa ban peniat chakmat kam tam kibai dei bat kibor nuklear. Uji tendra ulai thu baka DAE kadang wat ya kijaka bathamai ke badan uranium na pedeng kijaka badang thamai om dei tang ha Meghalaya. Hendrai ha kiwei kijela kum ha Uttarakhand Himachal Pradesh. Hendrai ha kabai dei baka jingsep tieng bayok kani ka jingti ya uranium kan kta e ka kot ka khya. Uji tendra ula kubur badan kijela ki bala penpau ya ka jingtieng ha kabai dei bat kani ha ka bak sep tieng yo syak ta ha ka jingpang bampong ne ka jingpang cancer.
This requires a lot of planning and a lot of spade work before undertaking this. But certainly the Department of Atomic Energy is exploring new areas of which this is also one. It already has this in mind. Earlier on the concentration was mostly on the conventional areas, mostly in South India. But among the new areas, not only Meghalaya but even Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, so some of the areas where they see the possibility of this kind of thing happening. But this takes time, this also requires a budget. And this also does initial, as you were saying, research. This is where research comes in. So this is already there in their purview. They are trying to study it and work it out. In certain stage, of course, the state government also has to be involved. Some of the states have this apprehension that if a project like this comes up, there will be some hazard, which we are trying to brush aside. This has happened in other states also. In Maharashtra also, which is way ahead in this atomic energy, they also have some apprehensions that if a new project is launched, there will be cancer all around, which usually doesn't happen. So, but you must carry this that we have statistics now. We have conducted studies, even in our atomic center, on the persons working over there, on the scientists working over there, there was no adverse health effect found on them.